Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Whatever time of day you're watching, thank you for joining me. I'm sure you're wondering why I'm refueling on the side of the freeway as cars just keep passing by. Well, I thought it'd be a great idea to see how far I can go on low range. Sorry for all the loud noises, but yeah, wanted to see how far I could go on low range until I completely ran out. Well, I ran out, and this is how long it took me. Low fuel indicator came up at 41 miles. And you guys are probably wondering, why did your low fuel light come on? Well, here's what we're doing today. I'm gonna drive our Jeep, our 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. Doesn't make a difference, but it has a 3.6 liter V6 in it. So I'm gonna drive this till it runs out of gas and basically see how far we can go on low fuel. Right now it's telling me I have about 43 miles worth of range left. Well, that number is gonna change. It's gonna keep going down, but sooner or later that number is gonna disappear and it's just gonna say low. So I'm curious, when we get to low, how far can we go? How far can we go on low? Sorry, I know, terrible. But yeah, let's find out. Enjoy the ride. It's gonna be somewhat of a scenic route, as you can see. Now, the results of this test will vary based on the motor you have. I have the 3.6 V6. There's also the 3 liter diesel, the 5.7 Hemi, 6.4 V8, and 6.2 V8. Now, if any of you that are local to me here in Vegas have any of those and would like to do this exact same test and see what kind of mileage you get, let me know. Let's work something out. Hit me up on Instagram, and yeah, let's see how much of a difference it is. Might be the same, might be more, might be less, who knows? But if you're curious, I'm curious, and we'll find out together how far we're gonna drive. All right, so we hit low range and I've reset my trip to start calculating how far we can go on low range. And we're gonna keep driving until the Jeep shuts off on us. So let me scroll up just to show you. It says range low, miles. I don't know how many miles we can go, so we're just gonna keep tracking it. we've officially made it to Pahrump. I saw the welcome to Pahrump sign. We've gone 27.4 miles on low fuel. Has anything else changed? Nope, still says low fuel. So I'll make a U-turn and we'll head back and see how much further we can get. Waiting for traffic to go by. Traffic has gone by. Let's flip this around. Oh, you guys almost tipped over. Oh, geez. We just hit 50 miles on low range. 50 miles on low range, and we're still going. No hiccups just yet. It's been fine so far. We're covering some distance. We're still moving. 51.4 now. I'm going uphill. Still holding the speed limit as best I can. 52 miles now. Man, how far can we go on low fuel? We still on low fuel? Yeah, just says range low. All right, round and round we go. Where we run out of fuel, nobody knows. But that is why I'm doing this test. This to find out. 53 miles. We're going uphill as well, so I'm in a slightly higher gear. Oh, breaking up. Oh. Foot to the floor. Oh, I've got nothing. Oh, I've got nothing. Pedal. Oh, something. Oh, I've got nothing. Oh, man. Oh, nothing. Absolutely nothing. Oh. Engine shut off. Shift to P to start. 54.4 miles. Man. All right. Well, let's refuel and go the rest of the way home.